thanks for clicking on this video. My name's Lindsay and this is my 9-month-old son Hayden. And today we're going to go on a tour of his room and I'm going to show you where everything is from and some organization tips as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can see little Hayden on the right there. He's crawling all over the place. So this is what the room looks like, an overview of it. We tried a few different furniture configurations, but this is really the only way we could get everything to fit. So when you first walk in, the crib is on the left. Our crib is by Million Dollar Baby, and we got it from West Coast Kids here in Canada. We got it on a Black Friday sale, and it was about $350, so it's like mid-range for crib prices. And his sheets are by Burt's Bees, and I swear by them because he was getting really rosy cheeks before we switched to those. The artwork above the crib are Etsy prints, and I'll link them below if I can find them. The frames that we put them in are $10 IKEA frames, so really budget-friendly artwork above the crib. And below the crib we utilize for storage. So we have a container under there that we keep books in. You could totally put clothes or bed linens or anything like that. So definitely utilize under the crib for storage. And just beside the crib we have this basket, which I really like because it breaks up all the white and gray in the room just to have like a natural element. And I just keep some extra stuff in here. That's his sleep sacks and some books and toys. And hanging above that is a plant, and the plant hang and the pot are both from HomeSense. And on this wall we have this shelf, which is from IKEA, and it is actually from their outdoor garden range. It's called Laco and it's only $60, so it was like really budget friendly, and we love it in this space. It's like metal and just almost black but really dark gray. On the top shelf we have this Welcome to My Crib sign, which is from Hobby Lobby in the States. His monitor is set there, and just some stuffed toys with this light box that says Hayden's Room. On the next shelf we have this picture frame with a newborn photo of him that we still need to get engraved. And the little train beside that was my husband's when he was a baby. And the little basket is filled with little shoes. So that's my tip number 2, is use baskets to display items. Instead of tucking these away in a drawer, we just have them out because they're so cute. On the next row we have a basket with swaddles in it. So again, instead of putting those in a drawer, we roll them up and display them like this. It looks cute and they're really convenient to have out like that. The Hatch Nursery is a nightlight and white noise machine. We love it. It connects to our phone via Bluetooth, so we can adjust it from our phone, which has been really handy. And that little teddy is also a storybook. He velcros open, and we also just put that book there as a display. And just below that we have a big basket of more books. Above the rocking chair we have some items hanging on the wall, and that little adventure sign is from an Etsy shop. It is cut into wood, and I'll try and link that below if I can find it. His Hayden banner I made. I have a Cricut machine, so I made that for his room. And the cloud light is from Chapters Indigo, and it has been really good. It's quite a dim light, so it was nice when he was a newborn for late night feedings and changes. The rocking chair in the room I love. It goes really well in the room and it is super comfy, and we actually got it and the ottoman from the Sears closeout sale here in Canada, so we got a crazy good deal on it. The blanket on the back was knitted by his great-grandmother, so that's really special. And the rug that you see here is from IKEA and it's only $40 and it goes so well in the room, so we love that. And the pillow is just like an old couch pillow, but I love it for nursing as opposed to like a big cumbersome nursing pillow. This just works better for me. The dresser in the room is located below the window, and we have blackout blinds as well as some curtains around just to soften the look. And the dresser is the IKEA Hemnes dresser, and we like it. The drawers are really deep, so they hold a lot of stuff, and the height is really good for a change table. His change pad is the Kikaroo Peanut Changer, which I know is a really pricey item, but I think it's worth it. We definitely like it. I love the color of it, and it is totally water resistant,
and super easy to clean. And beside that, we have a wipes warmer, and I know a lot of people don't like wipes warmers, but we put water and bamboo washcloths in it, and that has worked really well for us because you don't have to use wipes very often, and we can just clean his bum with warm water. And then we use those little towels to dry, and I put all the dirty laundry in there. And I keep some necessities like his bum cream, D-drops, and saline there. In the top drawer, I keep diapers at hand, burp cloths, and this basket has bibs and bandanas in it. And this little organizer is from IKEA. I love it because of its separate compartments. We keep socks and just some essentials, his lotion, some other baby wipes, just some baby toiletries, and those are the bags for his diaper pail, and these are the bamboo washcloths that I put in the wipes warmer. In the next drawer, I keep the clothes that he wears the most often, and I love having it organized like this so I can see everything. And those are his pajamas, short sleeve shirts, pants, and long sleeve shirts. And these little dividers are from Amazon, and they're pressure mounted so they don't really move around, so those have been great. And I just want him to be able to wear everything before he grows out of it, so I love being able to see it. So this folding method, the Marie Kondo way, has worked perfectly for that. The next drawer is not as organized, but it's organized like I know where everything is. It's neck size up clothing, so that's his neck size up, and then neck size after that, and neck size after that. Just beside the dresser, we keep the diaper pail, which is the Ubi diaper pail, and a laundry basket from HomeSense, and I just thought it went really well with the room, super cute. And we have a humidifier because we live in quite a dry climate, so we basically run that every night. And inside the laundry basket, I keep a laundry bag to put socks in so that they don't get lost. So that is another little tip. Beside the window is an alphabet print, another Etsy purchase, and it's probably the only color in the room, but I love it. And the closet doors my husband made, and they turned out absolutely gorgeous. We couldn't find any to fit the space, so he made them. On the left side of the closet, we keep blankets up top, and this hanging organizer is a diaper organizer, and it's from IKEA, and it was only $5, and it holds open diapers out of their package. And at the bottom, we keep diapers as well as a container for me to put all of the clothes that he grows out of. On the other side, on the top, we keep just some random stuff. There's really no organization happening there. And we hang some of his clothes. Most of it's in the drawers, but I do like to hang sweaters. And below that is an IKEA Collax unit. And on the top, I just keep some of his shoes, extra wipes, and that bin has hats in it. And in these bins are just some random stuff. So there's swim diapers, some toys, and they're not even all the way full, so we definitely have some room to grow. And these bins are from IKEA as well. Beside the closet, we have these hooks, which are from Hobby Lobby in the States, and below them we have these little bookshelves, which are actually IKEA kitchen spice racks. So that is another little hack. I love the way that these turned out, and I totally got this idea from Pinterest, and it's so cute.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got some inspiration if you're doing a nursery, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye!